Hi there and welcome to my weekly robot update. This is where I do a robot roundup of what's going on in the robot news around the world, so stay tuned. Hi guys, I'm Philip English from robophil.com and welcome to my weekly robot update number 5. Rise of the robot security guards. A startup company called Knightscope is preparing to roll out human-sized robot patrols, with Microsoft being one of the first companies to deploy these autonomous robot security guards. Dubbed the K5, Microsoft's Silicon Valley campus was being policed last week by 5 of these roughly human-sized, 300 pounds, that's 136 kilo, robots, each equipped with enough cameras, sensors, artificial intelligence and alarms that will replace most human security patrols. The Knightscope K5 autonomous data machine utilises a combination of autonomous technology, robotics and predictive analytics to provide a command but friendly physical presence and gather important real-time on-site data with its numerous sensors. Imagine a friend that you can see, hear, feel and smell that would tirelessly watch over your corporate campus or neighbourhood, keeping loved ones safe and put a smile on everyone's passing by. Imagine if we can utilise technology to make our communication stronger and safer together. Data collected through the K5 sensors is processed through the robot's predictive analytics engine, combined with existing business, government and crowdsourced social data, sets and subsequently assigns an alert level that determines when the community and authorities should be notified of a concern. If an alert is pushed, the K5 machine will turn on all of its sensors, not only to allow the entire community to review the data, but to contribute important real-time information. Our approach elevates any privacy concerns, engaging the community on a social level to effectively crowdsource security, and provides an important feedback loop to the predicting engine. Knightscope's quickest avenue to commercialisation in the K5 technology is in outdoor environments and corporate campuses, shopping centres and with private security companies. Tedious and monotonously monitoring will be handled by the K5, leaving strategic hands-on activities to security personnel. Knightscope has also received numerous inquiries proposing a variety of user cases where the K5 will make a positive impact. They offer substantial future growth opportunities in areas included but not limited to schools, hotels, auto dealerships, stadiums, casinos, law enforcement agencies, seaports and airports. Knightscope's mission is to cut crime by 50% by developing the technology that will predict and prevent crime with an innovative combination of large-scale robotics, predictive analytics and social engagements. Robot dolphins. We all know that global warming is behind the melting of the polar ice caps, but how exactly is it happening? Scientists from the California Institute of Technology, Caltech, University of East Anglia and GeoMar Center of Ocean Research have been using robotic dolphins that can swim underwater over the last 2 years to study exactly how warm water is reaching the Antarctic region to melt polar ice slabs. When you have a melting slab of ice, it can either melt from above because the atmosphere is getting warmer, or it can melt from below because the ocean is getting warmer, said Andrew Thompson, Assistant Professor of the Environment Science and Engineering, who led the study. All of the evidence points to ocean warming as the most important factor affecting the ice shelves, so we want to understand the physics of how the heat gets there. Usually marine biologists have to sail on ships close to the area that they want to study and then lower instruments into the water on site, or use satellites to collect ocean temperature data. Unfortunately, the methods were not possible in the southern ocean of the coast of the Antarctic Peninsula, where warm water is not near the surface of the sea, so it can't be picked up by satellite, and the area is very hard to reach to by ship. This is where the robot dolphins come into play by a device called the Sea Glider. It is a deep diving autonomous underwater vehicle, a UAV, designed for missions lasting many months and covering many thousands of miles. In military applications, the Sea Glider is more commonly referred to as an unmanned underwater vehicle, a UUV. Sea Glider was initially developed by the University of Washington. iRobot received an exclusive 5-year license to produce the Sea Glider for customers outside the University of Washington in 2008. As of May 2013, Kongsberg Underwater Technology Inc. announced that they have completed negotiations with the University of Washington Centre for commercialisation to obtain the sole rights to produce, market and continue the development of the sea glider technology. Amazon robots get ready for Christmas. Amazon, the Seattle-based online retailer, has outfitted several US warehouses with Kiva Systems SWAT orange-wheeled robots. These robots move stock to workers instead of having employees seek items amid long aisles of merchandise. At a 1.2 million square foot warehouse in Tracy, California, about 60 miles east of San Francisco, Amazon this summer replaced 4 floors of fixed shelving with robots. Now pickers at the facility stand in one place and wait for robots to bring the 4-foot by 6-foot shelf units to them, sparing them what amounted to as much as 20 miles a day of walking through the warehouses. Employees at some robot-equipped warehouses can pick and scan at least 300 items an hour compared to 100 under the old system. Amazon purchased Kiva Systems Inc. back in 2012 for $775 million. In May, Amazon Chief Executive Jeff Bezos told investors at Amazon annual meeting that he planned to deploy 10,000 Kiva robots by the year end, up from 14,000 at this time. Kiva uses game-changing automation technology fulfillment centers that help Amazon simplify operations and reduce costs while increasing flexibility. Using hundreds of these autonomous mobile robots and sophisticated control software, the Kiva mobile robotic fulfillment system enables extremely fast cycle times with reduced labour requirements from receiving to picking to shipping. The result is building that is quick and low cost to set up, inexpensive to operate and easy to change anywhere in the world. Kiva System was founded on a better approach to order fulfillment solutions, a philosophy that simultaneously breaks down many existing constraints and takes fulfillment back to its simple basics. Today, Kiva is widely recognised as a solution for e-commerce fulfillment and split case, each end item picking applications for all types. Kiva believes that products should organise themselves. Current solutions store items in fixed locations, which results in wasted time and energy spent keeping the facility organised. With Kiva, inventory is free from physical location constraints. Locations and positions are virtual and move and adapt to the products. The result is that an item can be delivered to an operator at any time. One piece of equipment and one process should handle all products. Kiva believes that one simple process and a set of material handling equipment should be used to store, move and sort all items in the warehouse, so facility managers can focus on the customer, not the complexity of the equipment. A material handling solution should scale up or down. Kiva believes that companies should employ the right amount of material handling equipment for the current requirements throughout and scale up as the market grows or flex on during peak seasons. Kiva enables multiple degrees of flexibility. Orders should be filled when the customers want them. Kiva believes that orders should drop directly from the customer through to pack operators, resulting in shorter cycle times and same-day fulfillments. Kiva customers view the supply chain as a competitive advantage. That's it guys for your weekly World Robot News. I'm your host Philip English. If you like this weekly report and want to see more of the latest robot news, reviews and robot tutorials, then please hit the subscribe button and come visit us at robophil.com to keep up to date. Now if you have a robot product that you would like me to do a review on, then please ping me over an email on robophil.com and I'll see what I can do. Thanks guys, looking forward to seeing you next time.